Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here because I have not so in this month I have not posted so many videos. I'm sorry. So now in this amazing tutorial I'm going to be showing you about Python, which is very useful in your if you're building apps. So it has Django and every type of things in it. So you can install this app Visual Studio Code. You can otherwise install it from Play Store or Google. So now time, please see my tail. If you are willing to type in notepad, open your notepad in your system, and before typing anything, click on save and then give it a reasonable name like python.py. This py indicates the Python file. Okay, you can see this text documents, right? So click on that and select all files, and you can save it anywhere you like. So and save. So after the Python file is saved, you can type the Python code here. So now same is here. Click on this new folder and then type the name. I'm going to give it as app.py. You can give it your wish. So click enter. So it's created a new folder. So over here you can type anything you want. For example, you need to type your name on this terminal. This is the place where our output will be printed. So I'm going to type print, open parenthesis, and open the double quotes. You can also use double quotes, single quotes, your wish. So now inside this I'm going to type journal. So click on this run button. So Jones is printed on the terminal. So for same as notepad, you can just type it and remember to give Control S on your keyboard, and you will have this on your desktop. So click on this and it will be op- opening in some a specific app. And the notepad, please don't run it, because unless you have a server like Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or other things, you can't run the code which is typed in notepad. So so just type and keep it. So after this, I want a variable. For example, I give pen. I want the pen value to be like, let's see, 10. Uh, sorry, 10. That's all. After that, I want the value of the pen to be printed on the terminal. For that, you can do print, open parenthesis. This time, instead of using any quotations, we just type the variable name. Make sure that you do not make any spelling mistake or errors, or else it will show an error. So, run the program. Program say 10. For example, if you have made a mistake, if you did P in capital, so it will show you on yellow or red color underline. So in this terminal, you have problems, right? Click on that, it will show you the error. Pen is not defined. It will also show the line number and which call number. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After this, if you check it and type the correct name, no errors. So make sure after seeing this one of these, please go to terminal where your code will be executed. So run it again and it's done. After that, suppose you want to change the value of the pen. Like you need to type again pen and not pen 1 again. So remember that. If you want to change a variable name, the variable name should be specified correctly. So equal to this. Suppose you want to change it to like 20, let's say. After that, if you give run, so it will only display 10 because Python interpreter only runs line by line execution. So if you want this 20 to be printed on the terminal of the value of the pen, you can give print open parenthesis pen. So this time you will see only 20. Why not the 20 is not displayed on the first time? Because, as I said earlier, Python interpreter only run line by line execution. So, in my upcoming videos, I will show you something cool and better than this. After watching all my videos, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.